Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily use it, but if you want to just disable it, you'll need to go to Face ID and passcode, enter your password here. Then once you've logged in to this section, you are going to scroll down. There should be like a tab that says a tab that says like disable stolen device protection. I think I don't have it because I'm not updated to the latest one, but it's in this section, like right about here. You're just going to disable it. But that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.